It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dish, your favorite food, you name it, guys. You know what I mean? But anyway, today I was gonna explain something very quickly to the point. Let's get to the point. You know what I mean? This is the way of Chef Ricardo. When I make like a birthday function, a christening, or you know what I mean, someone, you know what I mean, wedding or anything, I just give you a slight idea how I did my rice. Most of the time when I cook my rice, want to get it cool down, and you know what I mean. The best way when you do your rice is this way, especially when you're doing a portion of rice. You know what I mean? It's just brilliant this way, guys. And I'm just gonna explain it to you where you can do this at home. You can try it at home in a small, you know, if you cook a small amount of rice, you know what I mean, you want to scrape it out, it's something to see the difference. But anyway, today we just want to get to the point, and this is the point. When you cook a large portion of rice at home, this is the best way how to do it. All right? So enjoy the ideas, enjoy the tips and the ways, and you know what I mean, how you can do things at home, guys. Anyway, if you don't get a copy of a cookbook, you need to get a copy of a cookbook, guys. You know what I mean? Summer is coming up, you need a recipe to help you guide you through the way. In this summer, jerk chicken, rice and peas, bits and pieces are there for you. And also, remember, we have a lot more stuff coming out. Not remember, you can also donate to the channel. And you know what I mean? Thank you so much, guys. And hopefully we can come out with better in the future with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next. Nice and lovely. So this is the way, exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to doing a large portion of rice at home. So basically what I did this morning, I cooked a large portion of rice. As you can see, roughly one nice good, almost 10 kilos of rice. It's a lot of rice, or 5 kilos. To be honest, I don't remember. Roughly say, except for about 5 kilos of rice I cooked this morning. But it's a lot of rice. But as you can see, this is a way how you can do your rice just to get it shelly and lovely and nice. When you cook your rice, it's good to just scrape it out in a big container like this one and get it cool on, guys, in the right and proper way. But anyway, as you can see on the rice, look, if you want me to show you how to cook a large portion of rice like this, remember, you can always write it below of my, you know what I mean, in the comments box, guys, in the comment box. And you know what I mean, Chef Ricardo, we did it one time because I'm always doing function, christening, birthday party, you know what I mean. People always asking me for these things. So, you know, I will always do any one of these time I can always do one of these video how to cook a large portion of rice at home. So remember, Chef Ricardo also do catering service. You know what I mean? But I say, you know what I mean, I have so many catering service at the moment coming on me, and to be honest, now I'm just doing this one for a birthday party, and you know what I mean, so it's just beautiful, really nice. And as I can see, but you know, it's just a family member of the birthday party. So, but you know, as you can see, guys, all the rice look lovely, shelly and nice, you know. And that's one of the best way. And I'm using basmati rice. You can use long grain rice. You can use brown rice. Whatever rice you like to use is up to you. You can always do your favorite rice which you like to use, guys. So thank you so much for watching my cooking show. And as I said, there's some ideas to give you. You can cook a large portion of rice at home and how to cool it down. You know what I mean? This is another way, or you can cool it down into a large bowl and it get shelly and really nice. So enjoy it. Thank you so much. See you next time, and get a copy of the cookbook, 50% off on Amazon at the moment. So thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye.